So first up, we have Pro Grade Power. This uses a battery with high density cells and it has a huge capacity. That means a powerful 8-volt output for faster heat up times and all day warmth. You're literally cozy in just 1 second. But it's not just for heating, this also doubles down as a power bank. I can easily charge my phone, earbuds, and other gadgets with it. It supports most major charging protocols, so I never have to worry about running out of juice on my devices. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the swap-on ecosystem. This battery is designed for endless adventures. It works with everything from heated jackets to gear we haven't even imagined yet. Just swap it out and stay unbound. And here's something I truly love. It's part of a Smart Power Sustainable Future initiative. You can recycle your swap-on batteries through InoKraft's partnership with Call to Recycle, making it easy to do your part for the planet. Now let's check out some of the top features of this jacket powered by this battery. Instant warmth and one-button control let me switch between heat settings easily. Red for high, yellow for medium, and white for low. Just a simple press and I'm good to go. Thanks to the patented carbon fiber heating tech, I enjoy large area, uniform heating, ensure consistent warmth and comfort throughout the whole day. Oh, and did I mention it's machine washable? Yup, it supports normal washing for at least 40 cycles without losing its effectiveness. Easy care is a total win. The jacket itself is super stylish with a classic, versatile, and stretch panels. It fits beautifully and adapts to every season. Perfect for all occasions. The stand-up collar keeps my neck warm and windproof, so no scarf needed. I love how it looks and feels. And check out this smooth YKK zipper. It glides effortlessly and has a wind-blocking flap that adds to the warmth. Such a thoughtful detail. Finally, the water and wind-resistant shell keeps me warm and comfortable no matter the weather. Don't forget to check out this vest for yourself. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.